Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to search Facebook account by phone number. So let's get started. So if you want to search someone's Facebook account by their phone number, so to do that what you have to do is follow some easy steps. First, what you have to do is just simply open up your contacts. After opening up your contacts, now you just have to tap on plus, which is on the bottom right, and after tapping on that, now you just have to enter the name of that person and the phone number and then save them. And after saving them, now what you can do is just simply head over to your Facebook and then tap and hold on your Facebook application and then tap on app info. After tapping on that, just simply tap on permissions and then make sure that you have allowed your contacts. So if you have not allowed it, just simply allow your contacts, and after allowing it, now what you can do is just simply come back to your home screen and then open up your Facebook. After opening up your Facebook, now in your suggestions you will find the following friends that you can add. So here you can see guys, all the friends can be visible in your friends list over here. You can just simply add them from there, or you can simply tap on the bell icon which is on the top of your screen, and from here you can see the people's you know option. Inside that you just have to tap on see all, and after doing that, here you can see guys, all the friends that are in your contacts will be visible over here. So you can just simply add them in your Facebook. So that's it guys, this is how to search Facebook account by phone number. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.